Giving gender reveal.
This is giving.
Later.
Sugar as well, I think I can smell the sweet.
Oh, is that how you spilled it? Eat the ice cream. Eat the ice cream. This girl eating it.
Those bubbles are like microscopic. Oh my gosh, those bubbles are like microscopic. Oh my god, back to you again. Oh my god. That's so bad, guys. Oh my god. We've run out of tissues to clean this up with. This is not okay. Guys, you have me to drink.
Okay, I just drank.
Just drink.
Hey guys.
No more spilling. I low-key want these.
Hey, should we just order like a bunch of these? Oh, wait, I want the ice cream part. Thank you. Karage.
Make it like spill it on the side.
Wow.
It's not bad. It's like, it's yum. Okay, time lapse.
What? Get out. Welcome to my house. Go. Your house.
Get in there, Mario. This is my bedroom.
Oh.
I once got a cup of batter in India. My mom was like, yo.
Do you guys comment down below if you like brownies?
Comment down below if you eat the cake.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's the wrong side. Yes, 6, 7. Giving gender reveal.
This is giving. You could melt chocolate and do like a squiggle and then put sprinkles on it to make it look like we're actually like smart.
Explain again.
This mango has sugar
Oh no.
on the outside. This mango, no sugar. Very good. It tastes better. I thought
Let's go.
you'd be a hard one to do. Hey guys, we have the goods. We have gluten-free brownies. We have top deck them peppermint Aero because I
Peppermint?
need to try.
It's actually Sunday.
Stop recording! Let's bake some brownies, bitches.
Hey.
To Maxine's kitchen.
Ooh. Got hot. Ooh, crispy. Crispy.
Do you know what I mean? Oh, I understand. Oh, yes. So this is so good.
It's a fat lie, you liar.
It's because it's not smooth enough. You know what? Yeah, that works. Also, oh, give me the Dubai chocolate without the Dubai.
You're going downtown. It's lemon.
This
is probably too warm to put the Nutella on. We shouldn't have done this, but it's fine.
See?
I said you could look it. I knew you wanted to.